Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be addressing a question we had, and we had a few other questions, so we'll get to those in other videos, but hopefully this one captures a number from people we received. As always, it seems the preferred method is to get in contact with us via our Facebook page or our website, where you can find links in the description, but do feel free just to drop comments below this video if that works for you, and you have any questions about this video or any other videos we've done previously. What we're going to look at this video is straightforward how to hide and unhide columns and rows. So to get to that, what we've done is we've got some very simple information here. We've got some headers in row 1 across the columns, and we've just got some row numbers here down in column A, and we've just grayed out column 3 and row 3 of this information, and that will be our examples to show how to hide and unhide. So very simply, if you want to hide a column, the easiest way to do that is you simply select the column you wish to hide. And it's worth just noting, hiding columns or rows can be very beneficial if you've got some extensive data. So maybe you've got 10 columns of information or 6 like we have here, but you actually only want to copy 3 of those, or you want to print only 3 of those. By hiding the columns, you retain that information, but it's just hidden, so that you can do what you need with the other piece of information, and obviously it's there ready to unhide when you're ready. But yeah, so if you want to hide a column, all you need to do is select the column you wish to hide, as I've done here with column D. Right click that column and you'll see you've got a number of options. So what we need to do is go down to the bottom here, and you have the option of hide or unhide. So as this column is already visible and there's no columns hidden, obviously unhide is not going to do anything. So all we need to do is select the button of hide, and you can see that that column has now disappeared. So if we were to look across the top here, we've now got column 1, 2, and then we jump to 4, and the same with the column headers. We've got C, we missed D because that's hidden, and then we've got to E now. So there we go, we've hidden that column. If we now want to unhide that column, all we simply need to do is to select the 2 columns either side of that. So obviously with D in the middle, C and E are either side. Having selected those 2 columns, you can simply right click and this time go to unhide, and there you go, it will unhide that column. And that's not limited, you don't have to do it one at a time. If you wanted to do 3 columns at once, the same process, select all 3. Ooh, if I still got them selected, select all 3 and hide, and then when you want to unhide them, you simply select the columns either side of those ones you've hidden and then unhide, and there you go. And for hiding rows, it's exactly the same, just obviously on the row rather than the header, or the column, sorry. So we want to hide our row 4 here. So what we do is we right click and hide, and you can see it's now disappeared. And alternatively, if you want to now go unhide it, select either row, either side of it, so 3 and 5 being either side of 4, right click, unhide, and then the row comes back. And it's as simple as that. One tip was worth noting down is, say we've got this row is hidden, and also row D is hidden as well. And say we opened up our workbook and we went into this and we noticed that various different rows and columns are hidden. So let's hide row 5 as well. Go down to hide, and we'll also hide column 5 we've got here as well. So we can see that various ones are hidden, and although they're grouped together and we could quickly unhide them, say they're spread out various different columns and various different rows. If we want to just unhide everything at once, all columns and rows, what you can do is you can select that top left hand corner box in between the 1, or in this top corner between 1 and A, and then what you can do is you can then, if I go over here, so if you then select the columns, you can now go unhide, and that will unhide every column that was hidden. And likewise, if everything's still selected using this top corner here, if you go to the rows, right click the rows and go unhide, that will unhide any rows that were hidden. So that'll be all columns and rows within that sheet. So we hope that was useful for you. As always, we did start to mention this at the beginning. Any questions, links to the description to our Facebook page and our website, and always the option there to drop us a comment at the end of this video if you have any questions. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. It is very much appreciated, and we'll see you very soon in the next video. Thank you.